Alright, today we're going to talk about preposition of time. Have you ever seen this word, at? Right here. So here's one of the prepositions. So when you use at, you say at a certain time, okay? So at 3 o'clock, or at 10 o'clock, or at 4 o'clock. Okay, you don't say on 4 or on 10. You say at. And other words like at night, at noon. Oh, but these are tricky. You have to memorize them. In the morning, in the afternoon. But just remember for now, at a certain time. At 10:30, at 4:30, at 12. What time do you sleep? I sleep at 10 o'clock. At. Okay, let's go to the next one. On. So on a day or a date. So what do we mean? Oh, I go to school on Monday. I have a test on Tuesday. We will go back to America on July 4th. Christmas is on December 25th. Let's look at some more. Oh, in. So when do we use in? So in a month or in a year. So in January. When's your birthday? My birthday is in November. In. Year. So in 2025 or in 1992. What year were you born? I was born in 1992. In. Ooh. From to. So these ones are together. It's like from Monday to Friday, or from 10 o'clock to 11:30. From 2012 to 2026. So from one time to another time. Okay? So that's it for today. And if you want to learn more, and there's still more, join us in our Head Start online class to learn more about prepositions and grammar. Improve your grammar, writing, and speaking. We will see you in class.